Yes.
What am I supposed to do? Huh?
It's ready. Okay.
Am I supposed to do anything?
No, just come and say hello.
Huh?
A special visitor. Your grandson from Israel.
Huh?
Who's this person?
Hi, Bobby.
Brian.
Sit on you. Okay, I'll sit. This way.
Oh, that's my.
Oh, yeah, yeah. No,
Sideways.
don't sit. Bend down, the other way, the other way.
I'll come over here.
Yeah, go on your knees.
I made it back. There and back.
I should live to see him.
Yay! He's back!
So let me say how you look. I think you look nice.
I look
round.
nice?
Yeah, you look nice and round.
Did I get some color? I put some lotion on. I made sure.
Yeah.
I made sure.
Oh well, we forget about that because Israel. I don't know how hot it is to burn your face.
No, it's hot out there.
So how long have you been away?
9 months.
9 months?
9 months.
Oh gosh, no, that's too long.
Too long.
enough to have a baby. Did you have a baby?
What?
Yeah, too long for all of
Yeah.
us.
I had a baby in that time.
Sabrina's here too.
I was pregnant.
Yeah.
I was.
Did you?
Just kidding.
No,
I was
he's
not.
kidding.
Yeah.
Oh, he's crying. The baby's crying. The baby's crying.
Okay, so we have a surprise. I don't know. Let me stop.
Coming for
From all that food. Hold on. Ugh.
That's all the hummus. Okay,
For an
okay.
Israeli trip, you should.
All
they
the
should have
pita,
stopped
hummus,
Yeah.
shawarma, all of that.
You had all of that.
All of it.
But you made it. You made
Hey,
it.
we have to send Brian in the
I
room.
did.
Yeah.
No, we can just have him close his eyes.
Can't believe it.
Going.
You should
Okay, we'll stop in a minute.
Yeah, give him a minute. Give him a minute.
This is pretty exciting, isn't it?
It's your brother.
And I want to say happy birthday in person too.
Oh, you got to give me kisses for all of those.
Mwah.
Whiny, miny, miny, miny. Yeah, what's yeah?
Wait, we could be here forever.
We're 98 kisses.
Yeah, he's going yeah to the cat. Yeah.
Yay!
Can't believe it. Yeah, just to touch him.
Yeah.
You put on a little weight. Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A lot of weight.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, I have to get ready for this winter. It's gonna be cold, so I
For
need
the
to-
what?
For the winter.
Oh, why?
I have to hibernate.
You have to hibernate.
Just kidding.
Okay. All right. Say bye to the camera here, and I'll start this to say you're pretty happy that Brian's here.
I can't hear what?
Are you happy that Brian has arrived?
The pioneers arrived.
Yes.
The pioneers.
That Brian-
Where's your address?
Brian the
It's still
pioneer.
recording.
It's still recorded. Brian the pioneer has arrived.
Are you happy that Brian has arrived?
I'll go like this. You put your thumbs up.
Yeah.
Good. You see?
Okay.